My wife and I really enjoy eating the garlic parmesan steak bites with basmati rice, and we think you will too. Now sit back, lay down, or stand up. Just enjoy the content. Now these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make the garlic parmesan cheese sauce. Right here, I'm just making sure that the rice is cleaned thoroughly. I'm going to cook the rice in the rice cooker for about 15 minutes. Next, it's time to grate the Parmesan cheese. I just put in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to now throw in 2 teaspoons of garlic. I'm going to let that cook in the saucepan. Now I'm going to pour half a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to pour in a 1/4 cup of white wine. Next, pouring in a half a cup of the grated Parmesan cheese. And now 1 teaspoon of flour to thicken up the sauce. Seasoning it now with black pepper and salt. Now I'm going to throw in some spinach leaves and let that cook. So the cream sauce took about maybe 5 to 6 minutes. You want it to look like this type of thickness. That's let you know it's ready. The rice is nice and fluffy. Now I'm going to cut up the onions, yellow, red bell peppers, and green onions. And next they'll be sauteed in the frying pan. And we're going to use olive oil. So I'm going to cut the green peppers into these thin slices. I'm going to use half of a yellow onion, and then I'm going to cut up 2 green scallions. I turn the heat to medium, and this is going to take about like 5 to 6 minutes. And so I'm adding the black pepper and salt for seasoning. So right here, we're going to cut the ribeye into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I have the pan ready to now pour the steak bites into. I'm going to cook this about 8 to 10 minutes until it's well done. I'm seasoning it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Well, there goes the steak. It was very flavorful and juicy. And here's the plate. I'm pouring the garlic parmesan cream sauce. This dish is a must try. It was very good. You will like this. If you'd like to see more content like what you just saw, subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Well, thank you for watching this to the very end, and you have a wonderful day.